We'll guide you through how to download and install WhatsApp on a PC or laptop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to do because then you can go and send and receive messages from your computer and also make calls as well. It's much easier, especially when you're trying to work and potentially contact colleagues or clients. So we're going to guide you through how this can be done. So you may not know, but there is something called WhatsApp Web. Now this is for using WhatsApp in your web browser. It isn't quite as good as having the app because you can't go and make calls in there, but it is an option. So you can go to web.whatsapp.com and access it there. But we're focused on getting the app in this guide. So what you need to do is come to the bottom of your computer. There you can go and press search. And you want to go and type in something called store. So type it in, and this is called the Microsoft Store. This is basically your computer's app or web store. So go and open it up. Now at the top here, you can go and press search and you want to go and type in WhatsApp. Do keep watching as I show you how you can then go and set up WhatsApp. So here it is, WhatsApp. You can go and click on it. Now you'll go and see this button says install, which you can then go and click on. If you get this pop up, we can just close this for now and I'll go and press install. Now go and wait for this to go and download. Be patient, it shouldn't go and take too long. When it's finished, it will then go and change to open and you can click there, or alternatively, you can press search at the bottom of your computer and you can go and type in WhatsApp and then we can go and open it up here. Shortly, it's going to go and then pop up, as you can see. Now, what we're going to need to do is go and sign in. So shortly, we're going to be given this screen here, and you need to go and press login like so. Now go and open up WhatsApp and follow the instructions. On an Android, press the three dots in the top right and press link devices. On an iPhone, press settings in the bottom right, press link devices, and you can then go and scan the QR code. Your chats are now going to be loaded. As you can see, you can go and see them over to the left. So you can go and send messages, and at the top, you can go and make calls.